Hi everyone. Today we are talking about AVEVA H 2023 R2. It's a modern, lightweight, cross-platform HMI and SCADA software designed to connect land-level equipment. In this video, I will show you where to find the software, how to download, and walk through the installation. Let's get started. First, you go to Google. In the search bar, type AVEVA Knowledge and Subcenter. You can find this website, AVEVA Knowledge and Subcenter. Okay. In here, if you have AVEVA register, so you can sign in here. If you don't have register, you should register here. If you register, you got email from AVEVA company. Okay, then you can into AVEVA support soft. Here in the product, you type in AVEVA H 2023 R2. Okay, P01. Okay, you can find the AVEVA H. In here, you can find it's new AVEVA H is software. It's released last year, October 16. Okay, you can click here to download this software. Okay, I download already. Now let's start install. Okay, here is disk 1. Go to here, setup, run as. Okay, English, install. Or continue. He need a Mac. Okay. In here, we should download. Okay. Next. Next. And here we choose PDF. We choose industrial graphic, okay? Mobile access runtime. Demo project. Next. Okay, that's it. We can start AVEVA H. He have 40 hours left. Yes. Here is similar. It's Windows Software Web Studio version 7.1 and version 8.1. In my old video, we talk about a lot of Windows Software Web Studio. Okay. Later, we can talk about how to use AVEVA H. Okay. Thank you very much.